Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to easily lock Facebook app on Android phone without using a third-party app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for Phone Master. So every Android phone have Phone Master. So go ahead and look for Phone Master. Open up your Phone Master. Then the next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you scroll down right here and then go ahead and make sure you click on privacy and security right here. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on app lock. Click on app lock. Then enter your security lock pattern or pin to unlock the app lock right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you look for Facebook app. Right here, we have Facebook right here. Just make sure you turn on this button right here. And with that, if anybody wants to have access to your Facebook app, it's going to require them to log in with your security lock pattern or your PIN before they can have access to your Facebook account on your Android phone. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.